In an era where a single micro crack can cost millions in few failures, standard inspection is no longer enough. Welcome to the age of humanized intelligence. At ViTrox, we don't just detect defects, we deliver trusted results that redefine your manufacturing yield. Struggling with micro cracks? Our Wix AI and PX40 AI models use AI-powered SWIR and 3D vision to see through the noise, ensuring every die is perfect before it leaves the sorter. Stop letting manual retest slows you down. The VR20 AI G2 and LC AI T features smart AI retest and AI defect categorization, a human-like intuition at machine speed to maximize your first pass yield. With our brand new lead frame and 2.5D in-pocket vision systems, we have integrated AI deep learning to capture micro-crack defects that traditional lighting systems simply miss. And for those pushing for boundaries of scale, the V510 AI Vision Pro capture microscopic defects with ultra-high resolution imaging up to 3.45 microns per pixel. We don't just provide machines, we provide trusted results. At ViTrox, we have humanized intelligence to drive autonomous inspection across your advanced packaging lines, setting a new standard for precision in the middle and back-end semiconductor industry. Don't just take my word for it. Join me at TechStage on May 7th. I'll reveal how Vision AI is revolutionizing advanced packaging. Let's shape the future of intelligent manufacturing together.